I saw thousands of videos on this topic. They claim that you can get like thousands of dollars by just using Google Translate, right? And there's a lot of these. Just check out this one. It has over 600,000 views. This one over here has 2 million views. And there's a lot of these, like 400,000 views, 25, 100,000, 1 million, 2 million. So it seems that a lot of people want to know about this, and a lot of people just watch these. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to test this out. I just watched like, I don't know, maybe dozens of these videos. And I wanted to take it step by step. I just wanted to try it out. I wanted to see what these people are talking about, right? So the basic idea in these videos is that you use Google Translate. Everybody knows what this is. So Google Translate, you can just Google for it, and you will get this. And if you go to translate.google.com, you will land on something like this, like the whiteboard, and you can select the languages. So the first one is the language that you want to be translated, and this here is the language that you want as an output, right? So whatever you write in this box, it's gonna appear in another language in this box. But this is not the only thing that they mention. You also need another website, which is called CPA Grip, and I met with that website a lot of times in my life, and yeah, I just wanted to give it a test. This is the one. It's called cpagrip.com, and what this is, well, whenever you see CPA means cost per action. So whenever someone does certain action, you get paid for it. Like, for example, if you just get the click from some people, you get paid for it. So let me just show you what is inside. You have to make yourself an account, of course. I'll just skip that. And this is what you get, right? Let me just increase the size of it. So this is what you get. First of all, you go to Payment Center. At least that's what they talk about in these videos. And then you just select the payment method, which is here. As you can see, the minimum payment is $50, right? So this means that you have to get $50 in your account before you're able for withdrawal, right? And the payment methods are Payoneer, you have like global bank transfer via Payoneer, and you have PayPal. This should work in like most of the countries, right? But then if you just go back to the dashboard, you will see this like public chat window. Now what this is, well, you can see that most of these are system messages, right? And they're telling us how much money certain people are making, right? So, for example, this Sam54 has earned $51 all time with 5 leads. What this means is that this person, let's call him Sam, they got 5 leads, so they've got like 5 clicks, right? And with that amount of clicks, they got this amount of money. Now this Jayzan, whatever, I hope I pronounced that correctly, so he made, or she, $6,000 all time with 12,000 leads. I know if these are true, right? This can be anything. So it's just like a public chat. The messages are like system-based, like from the system, whatever. So yeah, let's just leave it like that. So further in those videos, they tell you to go over to Offer Tools, and then you head over to My Offers. And this is what you get. First of all, the country here is going to be it's based on your IP address. Right now, I'm in Monaco, and I get these. As you can see, the payout for these in this country is miserable, right? So it is 10 cents. But if you switch over, and that's what these creators are telling us to do, is to switch over to higher paying country, like France, for example. So let's just check out the France. Then you go inside, you click here on the payout, so it's going to list these from the top to bottom, and then you can see that this one is $17. So for each action, you get $17. So what is the action? It is credit card submit. Now, this means that people need to submit their credit card info, and you are going to get $17 for each one of those. Impossible. All right, I'll tell you right off the bat, this is impossible to get. To get someone to give you credit card info, just based on certain link, whatever it is. It says like you can get iPhone 15, but I don't know if there's like too many people left out there who buy into this kind of shit. All right? Maybe there is. Maybe I don't know what I am. But I don't think that you can get a lot of money with this, even if you can get some of the money. But then again, you've got this. On the category, you can choose whether the action is going to be mobile install, and this means that people just have to download the app on their computer and then you will get paid. And they say the easiest one is email zip submit. So let's just check these out. What this means is that people just have to give you their emails and you will get this payout. But as you can see, the highest one is $0.86, right? So it's not a lot. For each email, you get less than $1. So yeah, France is not for us. Let's try something else. I heard that Spain is good. In all of those videos, they mentioned Spain. So let's just go with email zip submits there. And the highest one is $1.2. So as you can see, it's not so good. But then again, I just wanted to do something on my own, right? So I just clicked here and I clicked on all countries, right? And from all of these countries, email zip submits, I wanted to see which one pays the most. And it is Australia, as you can see, and one from the United Kingdom. It is $2.22, and this could work, all right? This could work and you can get some kind of money, but it's gonna be, I don't know, depends on where you live. I don't want to like give too much of my opinions. Maybe this is great for someone. Let's just do the math. If you get $2.22 and let's say that, I don't know, you get 10 of these per day, right? That's gonna be $22. And if you like consistently get that during a month, so it is 30 days, it's going to be $666. That's the devil's number, all right? So I'm just kidding. So it can work, right? But how? Well, they told me, and well, at least I saw that inside of those videos, they told me that we should go over to the website, which is called Traffic Ad Bar. And Traffic Ad Bar is gonna they're gonna give it their best to give your links some traffic, right? Who knows what they're doing on this website. But one thing is good, and as you can see, join Traffic Ad Bar today and get 100% totally free website traffic. So I made myself an account, right? And then from here, apparently from my dashboard, I should go over here to advertising, and then I just have to add a website or affiliate link, and this is the box for it. But firstly, if we were to use those offers like from France or let's just say, I don't know, Netherlands or something like that, we would have to translate these, right? Or let's say Norway. So you just click on this one and then you just copy the title of it. And I just chose this one randomly. This will work with any kind of language, right? I just want this translated to English, and as you can see, get your grocery coupon now. So what this means is that people in Norway are going to see this link and it'll say to them, get your grocery coupon now. And if they click on it and they enter their email address in the box, you will get $1.37 for it. So this is essentially how it works. Right? Someone is promoting this and they're getting money for it. And then they sold it to CPA Grip. So CPA Grip can make money as well. And then they just give a small amount to us, right? Basically, you just have to spend a lot of time in order to be profitable with this one. And I don't believe this is the right way to go if you want to get some money online. But let's just go through this. So I will grab any link, right? I'll grab this one for Australia. I'll head over to Traffic Ad Bar and I will just click on add a website, and then I will add a title, which you can just copy, and then give these ad lines 1 or 2. You can copy these as well, and then just choose the language of like ad and web page. So, just choose the language, whichever one of these you've chosen, right? This one is in English though, and yeah. targeting. If you want to switch on targeting, yeah, I'll just choose Australia because this is like the country that I've chosen. And when do you want your ad to be seen? So yeah, this requires some research. Add a date, add a time, and then click on the save button. But this is what happened to me in both of these cases. Unfortunately, we do not accept links from this website. All right, so right off the bat, you can see this is not working. Then I did some research and they told me, use a link shortener. It's gonna solve all your problems. Well, it didn't. They don't accept bit.ly links as well. And also, I wanted to check these links and I just clicked on some of these and it gives me the random offers. So I don't know how this even works for people living in these countries. Maybe I have to live there in order to see the real offer, or maybe I just have to use VPN, right? But in a nutshell, this is not a good strategy. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe these people know something that I don't know. I don't know. But honestly, I think that you should find another way to earn money online. And there's many of these. You just have to do the research. Whatever you love, whatever you think it's going to be good for you, you can do it. Whether it is just creating content, whether you just want to make a blog, there's a lot of these things. But you have to try and do all of these. Don't just consume a lot of YouTube videos. You don't have to buy maybe a course or something, because essentially you just have to do it. And you have to do it a lot of times. And you have to practice and you have to fail. For example, if you want to start a YouTube channel, whatever, the first one, it's going to fail, right? The first 10 videos are going to fail, but you will learn as you grow. And that's the main point. You just have to be consistent with it. So I wish you good luck, whatever you choose, but this one, stay away from it. I'll catch you next time.